Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal, English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, our today's topic is Assignment 4. Today I am going to take a science class for class 7 students. Dear students, our today's topic is Assignment 4. Let's see today's topic from here. Students, our today's topic is Assignment 4 and this is lecture number 5. So dear students, let's begin the class. Students, this is our assignment topic. Let's see what is written here. This is based on chapter 6, Structure of Matter. This assignment is based on this chapter 6, Structure of Matter, and lesson number and topic is here. Lesson 1 to Structure of Matter, lesson 3 Smallest Particle Theory, lesson 4, 5 Atom and Molecule, lesson 6 Atom and Symbol, and lesson 7, 8 Molecule and Formula, lesson 9 Particles of Atom, lesson 10 and 11 Use of Water as Universal Solvent. And assignment task here is assigned task. 1 number question, models of ammonia, water and methane gas made of clay and marble and sticks of your own and present in the book or your notebook. And 2 number, realize your model, explain Dalton's theory of atom and write it down. And instructions here is, have to know the composition of ammonia, water and methane gas. And 2 number here, you need to know Dalton's theory about the idea of atoms. Students, I have written here a demo assignment for showing you how will you do your assignment. For 1 number task, here is answer. I have written here, models of ammonia, water and methane gas made of clay and marbles or paper. I have used here paper, that's why I have written here paper are given below. 1 number is model of ammonia. What is ammonia? Ammonia is a compound made of hydrogen and nitrogen. The formula of ammonia is NH3. If we break 1 molecule of ammonia, we will get 1 atom nitrogen and 3 atom of nitrogen. Sorry. Here is, if we break 1 molecule of ammonia, we will get, here will be a correction, 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen. Sorry for my mistakes. And here is ammonia formula NH3. Here is the model of ammonia is N. And with this 1 atom of nitrogen, here is join 3 hydrogen atom with this hand. And now look at here, I have made a model of ammonia here. Come to here. Look at this model. This is model of ammonia, and look at here, here is nitrogen, 1 nitrogen joined with 3 hydrogen atom. Here is 1, 2, 3, 3 hydrogen atom joined with 1 nitrogen. You can make this kind of model with paper. I have used here paper, and you can color here nitrogen and 1 color, and here is you will use for hydrogen same color, because they are same, they are hydrogen. Now students, come to here, model of water molecule. one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atom combine to form a water molecule. Formula of water is H2O. Here is model of water is, here is one atom oxygen joined with two hydrogen atom. Students, again look at this model. I have made this model water model. Here is model of water H2O. Here is oxygen atom joined with two hydrogen atom. I have given here oxygen blue color and here is hydrogen. They are same. That's why they are, I have given here same color, red color for hydrogen. So we have seen there, here is one oxygen joined with two hydrogen. Formula is H2O. Now 3 number, model of methane gas. Methane is made of carbon and hydrogen. One atom of carbon and 4 atom of hydrogen combine to form methane. If we break one molecule of methane, we will get one atom of carbon and 4 atom of hydrogen. Formula of methane is CH4. Look at here. I didn't make methane model here. You will do by yourself like this. You will just give here carbon in the middle of this model and you will give here 4 hydrogen. 4 hydrogen joined with this one carbon atom. Now next 2 number question was, realize your model, explain Dalton's theory of atom and write it down. For 2 number answer, Dalton's theory, you will get this answer on page number 63 on your book. Here is 63 number page. Look at your book. At first read this page properly. Here is written Dalton's theory. Then you will write on your assignment. I hope now you will be able to write your assignment and make this model properly. Now students, your submission date. Submission date of this assignment is 18/9/2021. Your assignment 4 number assignment submission date is 18/9/2021. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. You will do, I hope that you will do your assignment properly and submit this assignment due date. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.